After making tiger skin cake rolls, I had leftover egg whites, so I decided to make a milk angel cake roll. At first, I thought it might not have much flavor, but after one bite, I was completely surprised. It tasted just like a fluffy cloud of creamy goodness. I took 1 1/3 cups of egg whites and put them in the freezer. Then I mixed 1 teaspoon of whole milk with 1 teaspoon of corn oil until emulsified. Next, I added 9 tablespoons of cake flour and 1 1/2 tablespoons of cornstarch, along with 2/3 of a cup of egg whites. I mixed until smooth. The egg whites should be slightly frozen with icy edges. Then I added a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 5 tablespoons of white sugar, and 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. I whipped it until it formed soft peaks, which helps make the cake structure more stable and fluffy. I folded in a small portion of the meringue into the batter to lighten it, then gently combined it with the remaining meringue. I took about 2 tablespoons of the batter and mixed it with 1/2 teaspoon of cocoa powder. After blending it well, I transferred it to a piping bag. Then I piped cow pattern designs onto parchment paper. Once the design was ready, I preheated the oven and baked the pattern briefly to set it. After letting the tray cool slightly, I poured the rest of the batter over the design. I tapped the tray to release any air bubbles, then let the cake cool down slightly before peeling off the parchment paper from the edges. I placed a fresh sheet of parchment paper over the cake and let it reach a warm temperature. While waiting, I prepared the filling. Once the cake was warm, I flipped it over and carefully peeled off the back parchment paper, then flipped it back again. I made a diagonal cut at one edge to help with rolling. Then I spread an even layer of whipped cream over the surface and gently rolled it up. After rolling, I placed it in the fridge for 30 to 60 minutes to firm up. Chilling makes it easier to slice. And just like that, this soft and fluffy milk angel cake roll was ready to enjoy.